Hello friends, in last lecture we have to see the DC power sources and AC-DC generators. Now today we are going to start the new topic, inductance, capacitance and impedance. So these are the three electrical generators is used in the circuit. The circuits also parallel, series level. These inductance, capacitance and impedance for electrical purposes we can be used. So first tell you about the inductance. Do you know the inductance? What is meant by inductance? Inductance is a property of a conductor that can be measured by the size of electromagnetic forces. That force calculated, also voltage will be calculated in this way. So these purposes the inductance can be used. In this inductance pricing there are two types of inductance. It is measured in Henry. Its unit is Henry. So that will be the inductance can be used in various electrical applications due to store the voltage or force due to that react. So there are two types of inductance. First is self-inductance. Its unit is Henry. First is self-inductance. Second is mutual inductance. Mutual inductance. Due to phenomena of a coil, which can be opposites, that the flux produced due to in this coil in the form of the self-producing EMF. So in this self-inductance, the flux quantity will be current flowing through that circuit. The flux quantity will be generated in the self-induced by using the self-induced EMF. So that can be the self-inductance will be generated. So according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, we get the self-inductance procedure. So secondly is mutual inductance. In this mutual inductance, the coils which can be brought together. Two coils are fixedly together, and that can be like the current produced through coil in the form of primary to secondary. That will the electromagnetic field will be generated. So that electromotive field that can be the current passing through primary coil to secondary coil, and that will be the open links produces from primary coil to secondary coil. That causes the current also generated in secondary coil. So in the current will be produces according to that mutual inductance from primary to secondary. According to transformation takes place from primary to secondary. So that coil is called a mutual inductance. So second is capacitance. So capacitance also the ratio which can be stored the amount of electric charge can be stored on these capacitors. So that charge will be produced in the form of conductance. So that is the difference will be created. Electric electrical that can be electrical difference will be created, that of the electrical potential. So SI unit is farad. Unit is farad. So in this capacitance, that will be the current will be generated in the form of electrical, that two plates will be fixed together. So in this inductance we get this type of inductance will be present due to that circuit. So that will be generated. The capacitance in the two plates plates store the current in the conductance current in that two plates of generator, and that will be the electrical charge ability to store in this capacitors. So thirdly, we have to see that impedance. Third is impedance. Do you know about the impedance? Impedance is denoted by Z. Impedance is a process, the amount of electrical charge produced due to the impedance in the form of opposition to that of the circuit, and that current will be present and voltage will be produced in that voltage can be changed. So it can be produced, current produces in the opposition that the current and current present due to that the electrical circuit, and circuit present due to current and current present and voltage will be changes according to that of the impedance processes. So it includes both resistance and reactance will be included. Both form of resistance and reactance will be included. In this way, we get, by using impedance, the current and voltage will be present circuit current and voltage will be changes. So that causes the impedance will be used in the formation of electrical circuit. So in this way we can be used the various purposes, inductance, capacitance and impedance in the electrical circuit. So thank you.